Hi guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix Roblox error code 262. There was a problem sending data. So the first thing what you need to do here, you need to clear your Roblox website cookies and your game cache. To do so, you need to open up your browser, then you need to press on the burger menu on the three dots menu here, then you need to go to settings, then you need to go to privacy and security, then cookies and other site data, and then you should see all site data permissions, and here you need to write Roblox, and then you just need to delete this thing here. And after that, then you need to go to your desktop, then you need to write run here, then here you need to write %sign app data %sign, press OK. Then you need to press on app data local, then here you should find temp folder here, and on temp folder should be Roblox, temp Roblox, and delete this folder. And after that, what you need to do here next is to basically look for your Roblox player, right click on it, open file location, right click again, then go to properties, compatibility, and select this option, run as administrator. Restart your computer, and then you need to look if the problem persists or not. And if the problem persists, then we need to reinstall and basically reinstall our game Roblox player on your computer. And to do so, you need to just on search write installed apps, then on search you need to write Roblox here. I don't know why it's not writing. Let's search again Roblox player for PC, then you just need to uninstall, and now my Roblox is uninstalled. And what you need to do here, if you want to install again, go to the browser, go to the Roblox account on your web browser, then click on one of the games here, and then you should get a message here when you try to enter the game. As you can see here, we need to wait that you're the moments away from the getting into the experience, download and install Roblox. So click on that, then save to the desktop, and once you save your desktop player, basically your Roblox player to the desktop, you need to enter it, and then as you can see here, I just install it. And once you install Roblox player, then you need to try again and your issue should be fixed. Right, so that's pretty much it. And if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.